welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So glad to have you. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day this Friday afternoon. It is gorgeous here, so I am chill and I'm relaxed and I'm feeling pretty good today. So I got, remember all the Allure stuff, right? All the, mistakes that were made, and they made it up to me and all this stuff, and then they gave me a free 3-month subscription, which covered February, March, and April. Well, girl, they sent me the January box too. I wasn't even expecting this box, got it in the mail today, and I was like, what? So I know this is February the 8th, but this is the unboxing of the January box that I didn't even know I was going to be getting. All right, as usual, here is the card with that beautiful lady on the front of it, and the card with those two beautiful ladies on the back of it. As we all know, it is no longer in that red little box. We have like a red bag now, looks like this. I like it. I think it's more cheery and stuff like that. It kind of looks more well put together. The first thing I'm pulling out is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub, so I'm anxious to try that. I love anything that safety sealed on there. I like anything that is for the hair. Oh, that smells so good. I don't know how I'm gonna scrub my scalp with it, but I'm definitely gonna try to. I might have to look it up and see how to do that. All right, and the next thing that we have is, it looks like a lip crayon by Deuce, and it is in the shade Winterberry, which is right up my alley, girl. You know it is. Yeah, that's what the top of it looks like. Go ahead and swatch this. Oh, yes. Yes, I will wear this. I will definitely wear that. That's my shade all day. Love it, love it, love it. Then we have that Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra, and it says, what shade is this? Burnished, is it burnished bronze? Yes, burnished bronze. Let me show you the packaging first. Girl, I get ahead of myself. There's the packaging. There's what it looks like, and that looks like a really pretty shade too. Girl, I'll be wearing that. Yes, look how pretty. Whew. All right, and then I'm pulling out the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. There it is. Look how pretty that packaging is. That looks all cheery and beautiful. I love it. All right, now I went ahead and took that safety seal off because, girl, I had to do some teeth work to get that off. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. And that feels so, 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 so good. I'm just kind of doing a quick rundown of this box because I know you guys have already seen this, because this is the January box, and I don't know if they thought, oh, let's just give her one. Poor little thing, let's give her one. Then we have this beautiful NCLA nail polish. Very, very pretty. My daughter will love that. And it's in the shade Call My Agent. Girl, she needs an agent. There we go. The two products that I am most excited about are the Sunday Riley. This is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. But I am going to put this one here in a giveaway because this does not work for my skin. And then we got the CEO Glow from Sunday Riley too. Look how pretty that packaging is. I love it. Very nice. So I am so, so excited about receiving a box. I didn't even listen to my dog. Girl. Hey. Okay, quit. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm so, so excited to be getting a box that I wasn't even expecting. That was very, very nice of them. So excited. So what did you guys think of the January Allure box? Did you love it? I thought it was pretty cool. I know that there was some confusion. I think it was late shipping or nail polish. Something was happening with it. I didn't pay a lot of attention to it because I wasn't expecting the box. Anyway, Allure is $15 a month. The box is well worth it. And you get like 6 items, 6 sample size beauty products, ranging anywhere from beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, all that stuff. So it's definitely worth it. You guys have a great, great day. I'll see you in a little bit on my live stream. Till then, you guys stay beautiful. Bye.